Hello everyone, I'm Kruti. I have done my bachelor's degree in Information Science and Engineering from KNS Institute of Technology, Bangalore. So when I was in my final year, I did internship as a cloud application developer. So I wanted to be in cloud computing field. So I was looking for best cloud computing course. So then I came to know about Jetking. And I joined Jetking. In Jetking, they will teach about hardware, server, networking, CCNA, Linux and AWS. So the teachers are very friendly and they are very experienced, and they taught about practicals also, hands-on practical, and they'll provide placements. And if anyone is looking for any IT related or any cloud computing course, so I request everyone to join Jetking, and it will be helpful for you, and there will be career growth also. Thank you.